we have given rational expression and we have to rewrite this expression into partial fractions. How we do this? First we have to check the numerator and denominator of our fraction. We have in the numerator x to first power, and in denominator when we raise to third power will be x cubed. So the power of denominator is greater than numerator, so everything is okay. Next we have to check if we have factorized our denominator. In this example we have already this, we have x minus 2 to third power, so we have in denominator repeated linear factor. When we have a repeated linear factor in denominator, it means we have to repeat this denominator the same number which we have in the power of our factor. So we have x minus 2 to third power, so it means we have to repeat this 3 times. It will be x minus 2 to first power, we don't have to write, plus, next will be x minus 2 to second power, and the last is x minus 2 to third power. When you have here to fourth power, it means you have to repeat this until x minus 2 to fourth power. And next, because the factor we have in the denominator x minus 2, we have a repeated linear denominator factor x minus 2. So it means that in numerators we have to have only constants. So it will be a, b, and c. And now our unknowns are a, b, c. We need to find these constants. So let me copy one more time our example. We have 2x minus 5 over x minus 2 to third power. This is equal a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 2 to second power plus c over x minus 2 to third power. First, we have to get rid of the denominators. How we do this? We have to multiply both sides of our equation by the denominator of our original fraction. So by x minus 2 to third power, both sides. So we see that x minus 2 to third power we can reduce on the left side. So now we will have only 2x minus 5, this is equal, and now every fraction in the brackets we have to multiply by x minus 2 to third power. We have in the first fraction x minus 2 is like to first power. When we multiply by x minus 2 to third power, we have to just subtract 3 minus 1, give me the powers. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have only a times x minus 2 to second power plus, now the denominator is x minus 2 to second power, so we have to subtract powers. 3 minus 2 is 1, so we have b times x minus 2 to first power, we don't have to write, plus, and now the denominator is x minus 2 to third power times x minus 2 to third power, so this will reduce and we will have only c. Next, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication on the right side. 2x minus 5 we copy, a we copy, and first we have to do the powers. So x minus 2 to second power, this is x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus, and now we have to distribute b over parentheses, so b times x is bx, b times negative 2 is negative 2b, and we have to copy c. 2x minus 5, this is equal, a times x squared is a square, a times negative 4x is negative 4ax, a times 4 is 4a, and the rest we have to copy. Now the left side we will rewrite, and we have to combine the like terms on the right side. We have only one expression with x squared, so we copy this, and now we have negative 4x, ax, and bx, so we have to write plus, and in parentheses we will write the coefficients before x. So we have negative 4a and positive b times x. And the last is the constant. So 4a minus 2b plus c. And now left side must be equal to the right side. When the coefficients before x squared, x, and the constants will be equal. So because on the left side we don't have x squared, it means that coefficient before x squared is 0, so a must be equal 0. Next we have negative 4a plus b, coefficient before x must be equal coefficient before the x on the left side, so this is 2. And our constant is 4a minus 2b plus c. This is equal, on the left side we have only negative 5. A we have, so now from the second equation we will substitute a by 0, so it will be negative 4 times 0. Let me write this. Plus b, this is equal to, so it means that b is equal to, and now when we substitute a b to third equation, so we will have 4 times 0 minus 2, b is 2, plus c, this is equal negative 5. 4 times 0 is 0, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, so I will move to the right side. So we have c is equal negative 5 plus 4, so c is equal negative 1. We found a, b, and c, so we can now come back to our partial fractions and substitute a, b, and c. So let me copy the beginning. We have original fraction 2x minus 5 over x minus 2 to third power. So this is equal, a is 0, so we have 0 over x minus 2 plus b is 2 over x minus 2 to second power. C is negative 1 over x minus 2 to third power. So this is equal, 0 over x minus 2 is 0, we don't have to write. So next is 2 over x minus 2 to second power. Positive and negative give me negative 1 over x minus 2 to third power. This is my solution.